Universally compatible. Compatible with the iPhone SE, 2nd Gen, 11, XS, XS Max, XR, X, 8 Plus, 8 sevenths Plus, 7 sixths S Plus, 6S, 6 Plus, 6 fifths S, 5C, 5, iPad Pro, iPad Air, Air 2, iPad Mini, Mini 2, Mini 4, iPad 4th Gen, iPod Touch 5th Gen, iPod Nano 7th Gen and Beats Pill new MFI certified chipset. This iPhone charging cable uses Apple's original C89 smart chip to recognize and connect to your Apple devices immediately. MFI certified cables provide a safe and stable charging solution for your devices. Incredible charging speed. Wide diameter wires and reduced cord resistance maximize charging speed, supports up to 2.4 amps charging current. Added protection. An additional layer of protection has been added to the Lightning and USB ends to improve durability and reduce fraying. Cables have been tested to bend 90 degrees 10,000 times. Secure fit. Sturdy unibody connectors resist damage while ensuring a secure fit with every insertion. Top reviews from the United States. Needed a cable for my new iPhone while on a trip. This was perfect and was delivered overnight to my hotel. A lot less than the Apple cable at Verizon or the Apple Store and just as good.